Do you need tree removal services? Call Amezola Tree Service at 586-298-4026. We combine the experience and knowledge of tree health while using commercial equipment such as cranes, bucket trucks, chainsaws, and wood chippers to eliminate any trace of a tree. Amezola Tree Service is a family-owned and operated tree service company offering its services in the counties of Wayne, Macomb, and Oakland. Our trained professionals are on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in any weather conditions. Amezola Tree Service can help you safely and professionally remove any dangerous tree. We are licensed, bonded, and a fully insured company. Amezola Tree Service offers free estimates from both commercial and residential tree trimming, pruning, topping, shaping, and land clearing. Amezola Tree Service also provides split and dry hardwood firewood for any winter needs. For information, estimates, or emergency visits, call us at 586-298-4026 or visit our website at amezolatreeservice.com.